Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 117 Main Street in Spencer, Mass. And this is a 1-bed, 1-bath on the second floor. And right now I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you first walk in the apartment. So really high ceilings and new kind of like finishes, very updated modern finishes. Like you can see the recessed lights up there and stainless steel appliances over there, and the new vinyl flooring. Over here is a closet with a lot of space, and this is kind of like in this main living room slash kitchen area. Only other room in here is the bedroom, so a lot of the space is going to be done here, like entertainment system kind of stuff would be here. And then you've got the bedroom and bathroom over on that side. Before we check that out, I just want to make sure you get a real good idea of what this area looks like, because it's really, really large in here. You know, I could walk around for a while. That's the door to go out to the main hallway. This right here is the intercom for the front door. So anybody comes up there, you can see, call them, talk to them. And then here's the bathroom. So pretty standard bathroom, but everything's in great shape too. I love the tiles. And here's the bedroom. So lots and lots of space here. High ceilings, like I said before, and just kind of just like new looking stuff all around, you know. If what you like is kind of like modern, upscale, then I would say this unit is really great. And here's the bedroom from this corner. And yeah, that was 117 Main Street in Sterling, Mass. Unit 6 on the second floor. And it's a 1-bed, 1-bathroom in Spencer. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.